not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. I have launched a giveaway for our valuable subscribers. Amazon free gift cards will be given to 2 lucky winners. We will announce the first winner tomorrow itself in the evening. So you still have time to participate in the giveaway. It doesn't even take 1 minute to complete the 5 given instructions mentioned in the giveaway video. Now let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. What day is celebrated every year on 10th of December? Human Rights Day, Good Governance Day, International Day of Girl Child, or Plastic Free Day? Very important, the answer is A, Human Rights Day. Every year across the globe we celebrate on 10th December as Human Rights Day. In the year 1948, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Now this year it will be the 70th anniversary. The theme for 2018 Human Rights Day is Stand Up for Human Rights. Very important, remember the theme. The Constitution deals with the citizenship from which of the following articles? Articles 5 to 11, Articles 1 to 4, Articles 6 to 11, or Articles 1 to 5. The answer is A. Articles 5 to 11 in the Constitution deals with the citizenship. Very important, you need to know, as every day there is a talk about National Registry of Citizens in Assam. Now, new citizenship rules were notified on December 3rd. A separate column in the citizenship form for applicants belonging to 6 minority communities like Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Parsis, Buddhists, Jains from 3 countries, that is Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan. In which of the following state is the Kannur International Airport? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. The answer is B, Kerala. Kannur International Airport has been recently inaugurated in the state of Kerala. Remember, the Civil Aviation Minister Suresh Prabhu along with Chief Minister of Kerala Pinarayi Vijayan, both of them inaugurated the first flight at the Kannur International Airport, which is said to be the state's dream project. According to National Crime Record Bureau 2017, which state recorded highest deaths of farmer suicides? Telangana, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh or Bihar? The answer is B, Maharashtra, followed by Telangana. Very important, farmer suicide seen in the state of Maharashtra in 2017. Now in 2018 also the farmer deaths not stopped in the state of Maharashtra. Recently 2 debt-ridden onion farmers found dead in Maharashtra. Farmer deaths due to indebtedness and low rates. They are unable to fetch good returns for their produce. Now Nasik in Maharashtra accounts for 50% of onion production in India. Recently a farmer from Maharashtra sends a money of 6 rupees to Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis to protest against the crashing prices of onions. Now this farmer sells his 2,657 kg onions at the rate of 1 rupee per kg, and finally he was left over only with 6 rupees after deducting all the transportation cost, etc. This is the fate of our farmers in our country. If you ate today, thank our farmers. Farmers feed the nation, but they are unable to feed themselves and their families. Government should implement all the existing laws properly in favor of the farmers, that they get at fair price. India's proposed bullet train between Mumbai and Ahmedabad will be completed by which year? 2019, 2020, 2021 or 2022? The answer is D, 2022. If you don't know the answer for this also, you can blindly mark it if you see the option as 2022, because the year 2022 has lot of significance. Many schemes have been targeted to be completed by the end of 2022. India celebrates 75th Independence Day in this year 2022. Bullet train contract between India and Japan was signed in the year 2015. The speed of the train is expected to be 320 km per hour. Japan International Cooperation Agency (JICA) agreed to fund 81% of total project cost. Which state has the highest number of manual scavengers in India? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh or Haryana? The answer is C, Uttar Pradesh. The data has been provided by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. The total manual scavengers in India are almost 13,973 people, and in the state of Uttar Pradesh itself, we have the shocking numbers 11,563 people, the highest number of manual scavengers. Now Gujarat accounts for highest number of sewer deaths. You need to know about the person Bejawada Wilson, who received the Raman Magsaysay Award for 2016. He is an Indian activist, a founder of Safai Karmachari Andolan, a human rights organization campaigning for eradication of manual scavenging in India. Which country's parliament has the highest representation of women? Sweden, Rwanda, Cuba or Bolivia? The answer is B, Rwanda. Very important, Rwanda represents 64% women in their parliament. Rwanda is a landlocked East African country. The capital of Rwanda is Kigali. Now India accounts only 10% of women in the parliament. Now Congress backs 33% reservation for women in the next session of parliament. Let's see what happens. Who is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission? N.K. Singh, Y.V. Reddy, Vijay L. Kelkar or Rangarajan? The answer is A, N.K. Singh. Very important. N.K. Singh is the chairman of the 15th Finance Commission. The chairman of the 14th Finance Commission was Y.V. Reddy. Article 280 of the Constitution of India provides for a finance commission. Now many times asked in many exams about Article 280, do remember? A finance commission is an autonomous body which is governed by the Government of India. 15th Finance Commission is operational during 2020 to 2025. The main function of the Finance Commission is that it distributes the resources between the center and the states. Let's see the question for the day. India scripts history beats Australia after 10 years in which of the following test? Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne or Canberra? Mention your answers in the comment section. Now let's see the answer for yesterday's question. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India, as rightly answered by Afzalur Rahman? The answer is A option, Tessie Thomas. She is the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. She was the director for Agni 4 missile in DRDO. So remember, the Missile Man of India is APJ Abdul Kalam and Missile Woman of India is Tessie Thomas. Let's see the quote for the day said by the famous Warren Buffett. In looking for people to hire, look for 3 qualities: integrity, intelligence and energy. And if they don't have the first, the other 2 will kill you. Many people lack the first one and they have the other 2. So question yourself, where do you stand? Always try to be a person with integrity and honesty. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Do participate in the giveaway. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.